𝘄𝗲𝗁 welcomes you to 𝗪𝗀 Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City. Time check for your convenience, it is now 3 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning. Once again, thank you everyone for flying 𝘄𝗲𝗁.
This is the first stop, 𝗂𝗏𝗄 Cafe. We're here at 𝗂𝗏𝗄 Cafe. Hi everyone! We're here at 𝗂𝗏𝗄 Cafe. Our first stop. Yanni's behind the camera. Yeah! Wala kami kauntar. Cute. Mag-search ni Yanni yung cafe. Nice. Sa aircon ta? Igang kayo. Igang kayo. Ano igang kayo? Go. Order. Ako natin yung extra plate. Kaya magtunga, Rami. Hindi ko makita. Ewan ko Saan eh? Ada? Go. Hi, we're here at Gangnam Cafe. This is our second cafe for today. Before we check in, we're making our luggage. Alin na yung luggage? Alin na yung luggage? Alin na yung dagat? We're going to Mono Cafe. Nani pala kong book ron, pero muday daw na later. Tama na siya. Tama na siya. Guys, nice. Cute lagi niya. Cute. As in, Morning guys, today is Saturday, so today is wedding day, so we're gonna attend a wedding. My French tips better. Gonna do a face mask. Is this right? Hello there. Look. Just bought this online and it has flower. And I did my hair, my makeup. Yani did my lashes.
Her! Late!
Or your bridesmaid.
Na-flower daging kita sa ligog.
See you later. Bye. Hello guys. Hi, so we just got home from the wedding. Just got home from the wedding. It's all ready. Kung saan na oras? It's already 10:11. Maglaban na. So anyone wanna buy my dress? Let me know. Baligyan
Oh my
na.
God, okay, baligyan na.
Yeah, okay. Let me mag-rest sa me. Sa Yani din. Hi, Yani. So I think we're not gonna go with the clubbing because we're so tired. And we're gonna rest for tonight and just because we have a lot of things to do tomorrow. This is the cocoon. This is from Vietnam. This is vegan and very gentle on skin. So I will like to use this one. Eyes, kasi sayang yung lashes. So yeah, anyway, I'm really grateful to be able to travel. Ayoko talaga yung nasa bahay lang ako kung sleep. Good morning guys, this is my fit for today. So the plan today is we're going to start with Yani and Sal. Okay, lighting the radar. O, diba? Bini Aya! Ay, wait lang. O, diba? Also, concert current today sa Cebu, sa Bini. Ay, ang isa ka Bini, gano'n na. O, 9, 10. Manager ko dahil. Ay, manager tayo. Manager ko dahil. Bini ko kaya man sayo-sayo.
Naka-record?
Yep.
Oh.
Happy ko na akong Cebu. Because I used to study here back then, and then everything is just here. Like everything is accessible. Like 𝘊𝗶𝗄𝗄, Speaks Easy, Night Market, Cafe, every single thing. So this is my bag. This is from 𝘊𝗶𝗄𝗿, probably my best friend. And birthday niya today. That's why I'm using this one. Okay. Yes, Madam Bell.
Ka-realize siya ba nga kanang
Panra na to.
sa seaside mo nagkuan nila bang na maayo man. Kira na midnight man wala man kayo sitong diri. Ang kuan lang jud diri bantayan mga cars.
Yeah. Because sayaon pa ba po nag-running era na sad ko. Dili ako sport.
Ay, marathon fun run dito.
Nasad bitaw. Hindi ko gana.
Ayo lang.
Oo, kawapaw kasad kasi.
Ang casino lang diri kay dili bawal lang sila mag-picture.
Oh, ba? Everywhere man bawal.
Dili man sa Las Vegas pwede ra.
Sige day, mga to Las Vegas day. Hey guys, we're here at the Star at Hina. So mga on here. Ang sa atong aid kaon. Isa na ko plain rice. Tapos na lang. Dako na kay 𝘂𝗲𝗁. So after this, we're going to 𝘆𝚀 and maybe a pop-up. Hi, we're here at Oakridge pop-up. Hi, honey. Good for your earbuds. Ano yan?
Di ba?
Yeah, pink pa jud din ka ribbon. How much is it? Well, I white.
Nasa front naman ay baya. Tapos kalit mo siya ng anak. Yan, break, nagkalit si Kuya.
So, padulong may sausage ko. Ito na may magtambay. Sausage! So cute! Biniaya, oh. Sea salt latte, cookie butter, strawberry, I don't know. Ay, 12:10. Na umaan mig nilaag. Ba! This is friends.
Hi guys! 5 minutes. Okay ba? Mag-Wolfgang na kasunod.
Yeah, okay raman mag-Wolfgang, pero dili dapat mamatay na ko ugma. Huy, anyway, I have a chika. Kuan ba sa condo 21st floor man? Ning sulod na mi. We went na inside the elevator. Bayot. So 21 na ang elevator. So magawas na kami. Ning naog og kalit.
Like 1 second drop.
Like 1 second drop, 19th floor na mi day. Like as in, grabe, mura jud ko kanang nabuang ka na bata. Gikabuhi jud ko day. Dili ba mi close sa uyab ni Maya no. Ni ana jud ko niya oh. Uy, bahala dito close. Ning fluctuate di ay ang elevator, so very scary experience. Good morning, this is the fit. Okay, bye guys. Maglakaw na mi. Mag-angkas ready ito. Ay, magdala ko small bag. This is my small bag. Here, siya ni ka TikTok. God, feel good. This is so good. Favorite croissant. Before, I used to ask how much karon kay dili na. Cheers. Cheers, girl.
Yearly croissant.
Yearly croissant. Kaya wala di sa mo ang buti. Thank you. Ay, kanina kaya tulo na po gamay na plate ata. Thank you. Wait, ako na lang ni ina. Hi, so we just got home and I bought some couple of stuff. Okay, here's first thing I got is this shirt from Zara. So cute, like, yeah. This one, I got the 𝘄𝗲𝗿𝗄 in shade 027. So this is the 027. It's so nice. I was supposed to get the 9, but it's not available. So headbands for my mom. So I bought her like 3 headbands. This is the croissant. I got it and it's so good. Like, as in, like, if nakog Cebu, I always get croissant from 5G. And that's it. Kaya nag-grade daw siya mango sticky rice. So, dessert.
State of mind, a place I've never heard of. I will walk like a nomad. I've been stuck inside my house too